Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Upendra Kumar Dwivedi, Assistant Professor, Department of English, DAB College, Kanpur. Today's seminar presentation, so topic is what should I do to achieve my academic excellence. So here my view is, what exactly does one mean by the term academic excellence? Are marks the only measure define a person's academic capabilities and talent? So I observe, in order to cope with the rapidity with which knowledge itself changes, today's students must seek to achieve academic excellence. Academic excellence is demonstrated ability to perform, achieve, and excel in scholastic activities. Academic excellence has been identified with achieving high grades and superior performance. But we just talk about the high level academic excellence. So we find that academic excellence is more than just making good grades. It is the maximum development of your intellectual capabilities, capacities, and skill in service to humanity. But simply put, academic excellence is the quality of being excellent in the field of higher education, particularly in teaching and research work. If a person shows outstanding skills in teaching, other reading various texts to gather information and then analyzing them with intellect, the person is said to have attained excellence in his field of study. Universities and colleges across the world are renowned for producing illustrious and erudite academicians and scholars who make their name in the world by contributing immensely to the world of knowledge and academics. Thus, the high quality of these educational institutions is a question. Is the most important person here is in fact a prerequisite to attaining academic excellence, but the individual in questions is the most important person here. The individual students must make conscious and constant effort so that he or she can attain academic brilliance and prove his or her mettle to the world out there. So here are some important keys, principles, and steps that go a long way in helping to achieve this desired goal. So we should follow, all of us. The first of all, we should have the hunger for knowledge. The drive and hunger to achieve one's goal is what make one look forward and encourages him or her to strive for it every day. It is important for you to understand what is it that you precisely want. Then set the goal for yourself and finally work hard every day to achieve that dream of yours, that dream of ours. The second, we should raise our target level. So raising our benchmark will actually help to make us more competitive. If we are well aware of who the best people in the industry are, who will be able to set our target accordingly, only when we strive to be the best can we actually become the best person out there. The third is, we should have faith in ourselves. Belief in one's own self and capabilities I just talk about the forms the foundation for the successful empire later on. It is important for each and every one of us to behave in ourselves and to have a desirable degree of self confidence. Having these qualities is as important as success is. In fact, it is these qualities that motivate a person to perform well, to push his, our limits, and to achieve impossible tasks. The third is we should not give up. This is the main quality to achieve our academic excellence. A never say die attitude will take you to places. No one can defeat you until you accept your own defeat. So we never disappoint. We should never leave the hope. So therefore, we should never ever give up. Believe firmly that there is a light at the end of every tunnel and the sun returns after every storm. All that you have to do, just we have to do is not to give up and to keep working with the same level of passion and dedication that we have. The last, nobody can go for it. The groundwork has not been done correctly, and in the case, the groundwork is planning and strategy formulation. If we set goals up for ourselves but move ahead without any proper planning or game plan in mind, so end up reaching nowhere. A lot of people start doing a new task very enthusiastically, but they fail to plan well in advance. They cannot foresee the possible hurdles and the possible mitigation strategies to fight them, which causes them to fall midway and quit. So attaining academic excellence is not a one-day task. Undoubtedly, it is tough task, but we should follow the rules and we should never try to give up, and it takes time to patience and practice to reach the desired level or intellect, but conscious and deliberate attempts in this direction every day can yield spectacular results. So this is my presentation. I hope you all will be satisfied. Thank you.